how to use Kiwi promo codes. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can use promo codes on kiwi.com. So let's get into it. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to click the link in the description below, and that link will allow you to get the promo codes, and you can even sign up using that link and get more benefits as well, such as discount codes as well. So let's get into it. Once you've signed up, you're going to select the trip, you're going to select from, where, one way, economy, whatever, right? All of those settings. Then you're going to hit the search button. Then it's going to take you to this section where you can go ahead and select one of the flights that you want, right? Go ahead and select one of the flights from the list. You've got best, cheapest, fastest, all these different options, right? So let's go with the cheapest one. Then you're just simply going to select the one that you like. All right. Let's say I like this one. I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to go with the basic one. You can go with the guaranteed one. They have a protection with Kiwi, but you do need to pay a bit extra. So I'm going to continue with the basic one. I'm going to click on continue. And over here, this is going to be the checkout page. And here you've got everything. So here you've got at the top, you can see you got the search, and here you have passengers, baggage, insurance. Then you have ticket fare, seating, customization, trips, and overview and payment. All right. So you're going to come down here. This is the primary passenger. Here you can go ahead and type in all of your information that they have, passport or ID number. And then down below, we'll skip all of this and click on continue to move on. Next, you select the seating. So I'll just select this one right here and then click on next. Quite a lot of seats. Click on next, and now we should be good to go. Is that not available? All right, so we'll select I'll take the risk and click on continue. And now we have overview and payments, and here we can go ahead and scroll down. Here we have the add promo section, and here you just type in the promo code, and if it works, you click on add. It'll give you the discount code as well, and basically it'll discount the entire flight, and you should be good to go. Then you can go ahead and pay it, and boom, there you go. So thank you guys for watching. So there you go. That's how you can get a discount and how you can add a discount code as well. And if you want the discount code, make sure to check out the link in the description below. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.